Okay, guys, good afternoon. So, I just want to quickly show you how to get your PhD from GitHub. So, just go to your GitHub, then go to your settings. So, under the settings, you get your personal access token. So, actually, what is the meaning of this personal access token? Well, it's just a kind of configuring your GitHub to be able to secure every data and information, personal information you have on your GitHub page. So instead of using just the normal password and username with your personal access token, GitHub generates some set of characters, unique character for you, and once you input it one time on your on any project you are working, either globally or for that particular project, GitHub will not be requesting that you put in your password or you put in anything again. So once it's synchronized, it syncs, and that is it. So once you go to your settings on your profile here, you click on settings, which is this page, then go to developer settings right here. So when you click on developer settings, yeah, it will load up this page. So then just click on personal access token. So when you click on this, you'll see for myself I've actually generated different access tokens, so you can generate a new one from here. So if I click on generate a new one now, it will request for my password, which I will just put then confirm. So with these now, I can just give it any name, test PHC. So then for me, I think it's always choose, if you see no expiration, you get this information, you get this notification that GitHub strongly recommend you set an expiration date for your PHC. So most times you can now choose custom and say, okay, for me, I could say, okay, I want this to just expire in like maybe like some couple of years, so probably this, and then I can just click on this. Then for your workflow here, click on workflow. Yeah, then just click on all this. So when you are doing any of this task here, so just click on everything around here. Right, click on all this. Just make sure you click on everything and make everything available. So when you want to do any of this the first time, GitHub might ask for that's your PHC, and once it is being generated, so if I click generate now, you see it will generate that PHC for your personal access token, and once it's being generated, you can just copy and paste somewhere for safekeep. But at the same time, in your ALX course, you might run into a situation where um, where while you're using your GitHub, it will request for it. So that's just the simple process. I don't want to generate any other one. I don't want to, but let me just click on this for you to see what I'm saying. So you see, it actually generated this for me, and I also have some other ones that I've generated for a while. So that is it on how to set up your personal access token. I mean, get it and also set it up. So once you have a situation where GitHub is requesting, just copy and paste it there. So if you're using terminal or termuse or anything, you can copy and paste. If you're using GitHub, like if you're using the normal Git bash, you can just right click. Like if I copy this now, I can go to my normal Git bash and just right click and it will paste. But if you're in your sandbox will need you to do Control A plus V to paste. And if you want to copy anything on the sandbox terminal, you do Control A plus C. Okay, let me just do a quick show up of of that. Let me see if there is any task here that I've not actually attended. Let me check this out. Okay, so let me just start these now. So just want to show you. So if I want to paste this, if I do, you see there is no paste here, and if I do Control V, it's not pasting. But if I do Control A V, can you see? So sorry. Okay, it has to be very fast. So can you see? Control AV copies this. So let me just tamper with these again. Oh no, let me just put this somewhere. Let me put this somewhere so I won't lose that. So let me now say I'm writing something else here like this. So if I want to copy these, all I just need to do is copy from here like this. Oops. Wow. So I'm really having a tough time copying this thing. Okay, but let's assume I want to copy, I altered, so let's assume I altered these, let's assume I altered these and I had some other generic stuff in here. Well, I'm not going to use this anyway, I'm still going to delete it. So, if I want to do, so you can just do, if I hit enter, you see, then control AV, control A plus V to, oops. So you can see it's kind of very difficult, but honestly I've not gone through the key bindings of this terminal to know if you can actually do something else on it, unlike other terminals where you can modify them. So this is just the way you copy. And I mean, most time on this terminal I do paste a lot, but I don't really copy because it's really kind of difficult to do that. So but that is it on this. So I hope this helped you, and thank you.